Welcome to Every Coach Needs a Coach, the podcast for coaches of all sports and all age groups to learn from coaches and people they may otherwise never have the chance to meet. We're continuing with our word of care this week. And there's a quote that you've probably heard before, and it's been attributed to a couple different people, so I'll just tell it to you, which is they'll never care how much you know until they know how much you care. They'll never care how much you know until they know how much you care. So I want you to take a second and think about the person who cares about you the most. Maybe it's a parent or a sibling or a spouse or a child. Who do you know who cares about you the most? Some people, it should kind of pop into your head right away. Who cares about me the most? Now I want you to think of a time that you had a problem. Think about a time, it could be a big problem, little problem. Think about a time you had a problem. Who was the first person you went to help you solve that problem? I would be curious, because for me, it's the case. Is it the same person who cares the most about you? Who you go to help you solve a problem? I'm curious if it's the same or if even it's the same pocket of people, because we trust the people who care about us. We go to them for advice. We know they'll be honest with us because they care about us. And as this relates to coaching, you can know all there is to know about your game. If your kids know that you care about them, you can accelerate their learning and transfer of your knowledge to them because they know you care about them. You know what's best for them, and they trust you enough to allow you to teach them what you know. And that's really powerful. And the opposite is true as well. If they don't trust you, it's a lot more difficult to teach them effectively. So this week, we're going to talk about what it looks like to care about people, what it looks like to care about people. Think about that person again, the person you know who cares the most about you. What actions do they take to show you that they care? What actions can you take to show your athletes that you care about them as people first? That is my challenge for you. I appreciate you listening. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Keep getting better every day.